Welcome to Fijian Friday. Welcome to the sunshine of the day. Welcome to the thunderstorm warm. Welcome to the weather. Welcome to the people of Fiji who will be welcome to this Friday. And we are welcoming you in our most welcome.
Welcome Singapore.
Singapore here. Puati. Ingona ka. Sigana patowana po.
Na Tony Singapore sembere chukuri tangi. Na Tony Singapore. Okay, rula final na chukuri. Argentina?
Right?
What ke Morocco? Varanise. Yo, bambula manda Varanise.
Siwanya kanya ya pia po. Kakila ka ba.
Sa piling mo.
Na kan do ko live stream na matakan din dai sa mga ni binakatan ni nagarab na kan itabi. Paano to na matakan ni sigo pag rombo ko ko.
Okay.
Ano chigo na ken na tos chigo no vending dingin.
Who's the goal?
Who's the goal? Who will we say good morning today?
Okay, wait. I know.
The Friday goal.
That name will start with L.
L, eh?
Yeah.
Must be live. Wow. Yeah. Ouch.
Also, protein fiber, BSP, and secure personal loan.
This shall be at Saber Lamba Sahamar.
And with the family of Sema will point the Run FM. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ouch Palangi Show. Kito sa live stream tayo sa matangani ko na bukungan ni Nento Ben and Rocky.
All right.
So kung mimbi na nakanin ren bula tapos tayo ito na matangani ko. Ano ni madong go no bula sa oti. Kito sa baka ni binakatan.
Okay.
Nangkarami binakatan tabi and Ouch Palangi Show na matangani ko. Very good morning to all over the world.
Now I got you.
I got you too.
Right.
Ano ba na Jebora ano ba postin at nuot na matakatali weekend na to ni Kuwa.
Iya, benar tama.
Because of the lackness of water.
Lackness of water. Mata ko na way may indro madal takaman ta.
Iya.
Malangin na lengan ni way may numro SS. Do may new town and do my bundi ko ba? Ay,
bundi ko mo ko rin.
Wikomba. Right. What happened in Wikomba?
From last night across the midnight till this morning, the AM this morning, the water was absent.
Why absent?
I don't know. They want to go back. They don't want to arrive. They will detention tomorrow.
Ouch! What happened?
A very good morning to Loata Bisiloy.
Okay.
Botei que na babite nani. Loata que Ronald Bengo Tio Luisa que Mareta.
All right.
Iyo nga in natalaw sa beto may nadi.
Mula.
Sergo botei bambindi sa Chubik.
Now what happened is this one detention. You will be dry.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen. This morning I hadn't got any contact with the water because there is no water available in the bathroom.
Just eye contact.
So what did I do? Ask me.
Okay,
what did you do?
I filled a water in a 2-liter ice cream.
How can you fill with no water?
There's a water in the bottle in the tank.
Oh, okay. Your
So
body
I fill it in the
Wait, maybe
a 2-liter ice cream.
Yeah, why maybe
And I walla pepe.
Yeah.
2 up, 2 down. 2 up, 2 down. Only wipe.
What?
Right, okay.
Just wipe the, just wipe the.
Just wipe the eggs. It's from America. Very good morning to you too.
Okay.
Thank you so much for tuning in this morning.
Right. Wala chini wiki mnikan saro kaysan waro da ngaram sarna nonda yo wiki mon ron leverua wano ni mna tiene no gni no monro siya mo mai ana mata ken dai ouch wambo chini bi irken sar ndo na mga tuman ouch panlangi manabe say wuro talle so sa bangol tiene no ni binaka ana mata gni ko no gni ngaram itam dems beba kan ron final la chiko Morocco obata ke adigo warani siya bata ke Argentina baka ramanda baka Argentina
Fila soka Argentina ham tum satira baca pia wa fila de o takara mati de patha apa
Okay, we came on the Kani. Then the Serkalingo out. So the thing of Mother Vehicle and Matagavina can die. Girirala Sotandono. You're right. Au dur kitumba ni tangiri na nogo
I
mobile.
went outside, my mobile is vibrating.
Domo e rongo malomo aurongo the kina kai mai hai.
The verse I heard, or the voice I heard,
Yeah.
saying hi.
Au so many hi, how are you? Kinan duna
I
smile.
reply, Odeo iko, Odabo iko ngende chirukinga.
Baby dia kinu sama sio dei engirichi au mai.
I'm running the 100-meter inside of me.
Yeah.
Who is calling me?
Okay, Dams.
Right.
Baby saki e the rumbi kaungai kila ningiri dala.
Our talkative now is wrong because of your call is wrong.
Laiba meu sanam bada kuita taki koe
All
manda.
I can do is throw the octopus at you.
Sanga ni kila ni tiko lewa ni sanga ni kila tiko lewa ni makadala nuku namba.
You are typing the right one, but you doing the 04.
Ni kua ono wikarua meu sana sa somitaka.
Now your second we will double.
Ouch. Na vai buku sa the rumbi na iloku ni sota me sana mau.
We plan each other to be married.
Na bastene na usori meu laki wawa kina kuyao.
Now, one impossible for me to stop myself.
Vei mama na vana kavi na singangori ke na nona ita tao.
4:30 in the afternoon, me realize
Ni lako me na mboa lukina tovi sa
the
batangao.
walking from the top in the Bugalao, I don't know who are you.
Dams.
Yeah.
Tapa lante na elo gue na ngiri umay
All
rongoda.
my brethren run away because of you are calling.
Kau mulai serangaki na siya dama meu bagayadora.
The only fighter I knew it was me.
Vei talia nga siya dama na yado me kunga ni tarova.
Don't ever block or traffic me through your heart.
Na loma ni mbasi sumo no sorry nongueli au chilo ma.
I swallow all my saliva till the driver full break. Yeah.
Ouch. Vei mama na tolo na kami na bastian meu lagi duritu.
4:30, no one impossible for me to stand.
So tango nongulewa au solia kevekina na nongu
This meeting my love for me to push you.
Dina matanga ningiri dala mai vei au setu.
Even though you call me wrongly, but it's okay.
Na roka tamatanga ngo me sana ndori tiga bu.
Let's mix each other like we are blankets.
Dams, the devil galileo sa ko mandano text.
I receive one of your calling now is wrong.
Kovolama, I can't wait to meet you, my boyfriend.
I don't want to wait. Meto ba nintar sa so?
Oh, so matalian in my pleasure, I'll never make you sad.
Au sila man to ni bila katamon tundu sila ba so to ko meado.
Oh boy, they need to know whatever it takes. I'm so glad.
Na nakatakan ko na ko tandira me nakalamal.
Ouch! Boy, they ne ala na be malani bosa ke de ngori.
My heart relax for your words approach.
Ni no nuinga nga wa ke mbaleti ko sama yoti.
Because I opposite my mind, it's
Ni
finished.
ko me bole tuku take na tao ni ko no sorry.
Then let the lalakai know to no sorry.
And na tuku ni ngauna ni no gusto tabi ko no rosi.
This message of our meeting of you, Roses.
Dams.